Let's go. Today we're going to be unboxing some more Hanes X Supreme Collabo. This time it's going to be 4 pairs of cushion crew socks. So looks like your regular shoe size, 6 to 12. Looks like your regular Hanes packaging. 4 pairs cushion crew socks. Main difference being the Supreme branding that you see. Let me show you all the back. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. See how these differ from regular Hanes crew socks. So right away, see the Supreme printed on here. Oh, Hanes printed on the bottom near the toes. Hanes, and nice red line over here, nice touch. And let's see, Supreme on this side. Oh, okay, cool. So Supreme's on both sides for you to show off your fancy Hanes X Supreme crew socks. And that's about it. Yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing, everyone. Please like and subscribe to see more random unboxing videos like this. I literally make a video of everything I unbox that I purchase nowadays, just for you guys. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Talk to you all later. Bye.